Hey guys, today we're making some spaghetti meatballs. Famous spaghetti meatballs. I just put some olive oil here, about a tablespoon. We got some chopped carrots, onions. Carrots will reduce the acidity of the sauce. Let's see what else I have here. I believe I have about a pound of ground beef and a pound of sausage meat. And that's basically the secret to my meatballs. I don't season because there's a lot of seasoning already on the sausage meat. I just mix the both of them. And you don't need, I mean, if you want to add some salt, you can, but it's not really necessary. So I have my onions and carrots sauteed. I mix my meat thoroughly, blend it together real good. So that way I can make my meatballs. Place them on a sheet pan. We're not going to bake it in the oven. We're going to actually cook them in the sauce. You'll see. Just make it the size you want. I mean, you can make it medium, small, big, however you want. I'll have about 10 or 12 of them. At this point, I'm going to put in my tomato sauce. I have some crushed tomatoes from Hunt's. They work pretty well for me. And I have about 2 cans. And I'm going to blend it with the hand mixer. Dump your meatballs in the sauce, and you're done. Wait till your sauce starts boiling so you can stir the sauce so that way your meatballs don't come apart. I say you got about an hour and a half to have some good sauce. Okay, here we're pretty much at the end. You can use the sauce with rigatoni or spaghetti. Here I have some spaghetti from La Molisana. It's a pretty good pasta. Walmart has had it on sale for a while, so I'll do with the spaghetti. But let me know how it tastes. Please try it out, and I guarantee you it's very easy and pretty simple. Of course, don't forget the Parmesan cheese after you put your sauce on it. And don't forget to subscribe. It's got more videos coming.